Dates are a fruit of the date palm tree, which is grown in most tropical regions in the world. They are sweet and they have a seed. Fresh date is smooth, while dry dates are wrinkled. Dates is one of nature's sweetest superfoods, and there exist different kinds of dates. In Cameroon, we mostly have the dried dates, and they are sold by most Muslim people who also sell tiger nuts. So where you see tiger nuts, you see dates, and when you see dates, you will definitely see tiger nuts. The first thing to do whenever you buy dates is to wash them properly. They have been transported a lot. In order to regain the softness of your dates, you're just going to soak them overnight. Now this is what we have. Can you see? They've doubled in size. They've become plump and fresh, and this makes it easy to incorporate them in most of your meals, your desserts, ice cream. Also, it makes it very easy to convert them to date sugar, and a video will be coming up on that. Now when it comes to dates, both the flesh and the seeds are useful. In most cases, people use the seeds to make coffee. While we discuss on some of the benefits of dates, I'll start by saying please consult your doctor, nutritionist, or dietitian before consuming dates. The information shared is based on information purposes. For the first benefit, dates are rich in nutrients. They contain calcium, magnesium. Secondly, they contain fiber. Fiber aids in bowel movement. Thirdly, dates are naturally sweet. In other videos, I have sweetened my folere drink, also known as zobo drink or sorrel drink, sobolo drink, with dates. I have equally sweetened tiger nuts with dates. Please make sure to talk to your doctor before you proceed to consume dates. Speaking of the method of preservation, I do know of 3 methods. The first is you can store them in airtight containers. Dried dates, I speak for dried dates because I only know about them. Secondly, you can store them in plastics. That is how it is sold here. They are tied in transparent plastics, and that is how they are left for the longest, so they do not lose their moisture. Thirdly, they can be preserved in the fridge or freezer. Thank you for watching.